Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudial and today in this tutorial I will show you how to create feathers in Adobe Illustrator. So let's start. So these are the feathers which we are going to create now. So let's get started with the first type of feather. Select the ellipse tool and create an ellipse like this. Now select the direct selection tool and click on the anchor point and drag these handles to the center like this. Now select the shape and then select the pencil tool. Now all you're gonna do is start with the path and you have to finish with the path. So I'm going to click on the path, drag down on the path a little bit and draw your detailing, and when you come back up just make sure you hit that path like this. Now I am going to repeat this here also. And here. And here. This is done now. Now I am going to adjust its top. And then the bottom. Now I am going to give it a gradient. Just click here to apply gradient. And now come to gradient panel. If there is no gradient panel showing up here, just go to window and here gradient. Now just select the color you want to give. Now I am going to create stem using pen tool. Just none the fill color and give the stroke color. Now I am going to increase its stroke size from the stroke panel. I am copying this and now I am going to change its gradient color. Now I am going to group these feathers separately. Select the feather and go to Object and Group. Do the same with this feather. So this is how you can create feather. Now let's discuss the another type of feather you can create. Select the ellipse tool and create a ellipse like this. Now I am going to copy the ellipse, press and hold the Alt key and drag. I am going to make it small and I am going to give it a black fill color. Place this small ellipse here. Now select both of them and I am going to blend them. Select the blend tool and click on both the ellipse. Like this, both will get blend. Now I am going to expand this. Select all and go to Object and select Expand and click OK. Now I am going to select the scallop tool. Here I am going to scallop this. I will start with the top and come all the way in like this. One more time I will do this. This is how it looks. Now take a copy of this by holding the Alt key and drag. Now I'm going to give this big ellipse white color. Now make it small and place it here at the center like this. Here you go. So this is how you can make feather. Now let's discuss the another type of feather you can create. I am going to none fill and give stroke color. Select the ellipse tool and create a ellipse like this. I am going to increase its stroke size from the stroke panel. So go to Window and Stroke. And from here increase the size. Now select the Direct Selection tool and click on the anchor point and drag these handles to the center like this. Now I am going to make it stem using the line tool. Now I will give details in the feather. Select the pen tool and I am going to make a kind of triangle here like this. Now I want this upper part to get separated. So select the triangle and the ellipse and I am going to divide this by the Pathfinder panel. If you don't have the Pathfinder panel showing up here at the moment, just go to Window and here Pathfinder. You can simply press Ctrl Shift F9. Now click on Divide. It has been divided but still grouped together. So we have to ungroup this. Go to Object and Ungroup. Now delete these lines which are outside the feather. So this part has been separated. Now I'm going to give it a fill color. Now I'm going to add more details in the feather using pen tool. Like this. Like this. I'm going to change the fill color. Select the stem. Right click, arrange, bring to front. Like this. Now I am going to copy this feather and I will give it a different colors. Now group these feathers separately. So these are the kinds of feathers you can create easily in Adobe Illustrator. If you are handy with the brush tool, you can simply draw simple feathers. Select the brush tool and draw. Like this. So this is how you can create feathers. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.